Dog. Dogs are kept in kennels. Birds. Birds live in a nest. Cow. Cows are kept in cowshed. Human. Humans live in houses. Lion. Lions live in the den. Horse. Horses are kept in stable. Duck. Ducks live in a pond. Sheep. Sheep are kept in folds. Bear. Bear lives in a cave. Ant. Ants live in an ant hill. Hen. Hens are kept in a coop. Honeybee. Honeybees live in beehives. Pig. Pigs are kept in a sty. Fish. Fish live in water. Spider. The spider lives on the web. Rabbit. Rabbits live in a burrow. Cat. Cats are kept in a cattery. Rat. Rats live in a hole. Goat. Goats are kept in a pen. Monkey. Monkeys live on trees. Tiger. Tiger lives in the lair. Fox. Fox lives in a hole. Parrot. Parrots are kept in cages.